Hello everyone, Zach Johnson here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of what it takes to create and make money with a free stuff site of your own. Now, way back when I first started, I did a lot of stuff in the free stuff and sweepstakes and contest area. So there's actually a lot of money to be made in this space, and a lot of people are looking for free stuff and samples all the time. So I'm going to walk you through the process of looking for what's currently out there, how to do something similar and make money in the process. So I already have this long article on zachjohnson.com that pretty much covers all the different things you need to do. The simple stuff as starting your first site, then finding offers to put on it, creating a newsletter, how to get people coming back to your site, and then using additional sources of revenue to keep the site going, and also how you can use social networks to find new offers and stuff that's out there. So you can read this whole article, or you can pretty much just watch this video where I'm going to cover all the same stuff. So the first thing we need to do is head over to Google and search for free stuff. This will give you a good idea of what's currently going on right now. And the first thing you notice is right over here, you're going to see a lot of paid advertising. And that's because there is so much money to be made by information from people filling out forms for free stuff. And another thing that we can do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and see what type of stuff people are looking for besides just the keywords free stuff. We can see people are looking for free samples, free stuff without surveys, free stuff for kids, free makeup, free stuff on your birthday. You can make websites dedicated to any of these keywords right here, and you can still do very well. So let's take a look at what's currently out there right now. The first site we can look at is freakyfreddies.com. And this site has been around forever. I remember seeing this one way back in the late 90s, and even in the early 2000s it was popular. So right here they have a bunch of free offers right here. So every day their site updates with maybe 5 different free stuff offers, and the people come to the website and they can fill it out. But some of these are actually free, where they're actually linking just to a website because it's free and they're providing it to their audience. But some of them are actually free stuff offers. And we can take a look and maybe get an idea. We can actually put the cursor over the name and look at the link and see which ones are actually going to a website, or if it looks like it's an affiliate link. So we can look at these, and this one's going to a Twitter address. This one's going to the main website for Houdini. This one's going to People Magazine. And you can see most of these are direct, so we can scroll down a little more and see what we can find. And this one here, Infamil Family Beginnings, that's a popular affiliate offer. So if we click on that, we can see that it's actually going to head over to a website where we can fill out a form and get a free sample for baby formula, I believe it is. And when that loads, we can actually fill out the process and get up to $250 in free gifts. And when someone fills out that information, they would then get the offer, whatever it is. But also, this free stuff website would get a commission for sending someone over there. And it's probably in the $1 to $2 range. And another offer that was actually listed on that site was for Alliance Health. And someone can sign up for a free diabetic recipe book. And every time someone fills this out, the person will get something for free, and then the website will earn a commission. And if you actually scroll down to the bottom of this offer, you'll see that they have a link at the bottom that says affiliates. And if we click that, it's going to open up a new window to join the Alliance Health affiliate program. So then if you had a free stuff website and wanted to promote this offer, you could join their affiliate program and get paid every time someone fills out an offer. So let's look at a couple other free stuff sites. Here's another one, totallyfreestuff.com. And the concept is the same. Every day they come out with a bunch of different free stuff offers that you can just list on your site. And basically everyone that's listed on this website is through a redirect, so we can't hover over the links to see what's going where. But blackpeoplemeet.com, that's a popular dating affiliate program. So you can probably assume that they're getting paid for that one. There's a FIFA World Cup. We can click on that and see what happens. It actually goes to the next page on their website where it talks about it. And they have these banners all over the site too. And it's a good chance that this is an affiliate link. So we can click it one more time. And it's for a survey, and this is no doubt an affiliate offer. So whenever someone fills out this, that free stuff website is going to make a dollar or two just based off someone filling out this short form. And on the top right of their page, they have the top 10 offers for the past 10 days. Now, whenever you see something that says free Samsung Galaxy or free iPhone, there's a very good chance that that's an affiliate offer. So if we click on that offer, we can then see it heads over to another Zip offer, and the site will earn commissions on this one as well. So the core system for all these free stuff sites is to provide enough free stuff that's actually free and going to legitimate offers, but also mixing in affiliate offers in the process. And these sites have been around forever, so people are searching for new free stuff all the time. And if you need to find free stuff for your own website, you can basically just look at all the other free stuff sites that are out there and start grabbing links from their site, because all these sites are pretty much just swapping all the different links and they're sharing whenever someone comes out with a new free stuff offer. So here we have nature hair samples. We can click on this and it'll head over to Facebook. So that's a real legitimate offer, and they're not making any money off that, most likely. So it's a free offer that other sites will probably share as well. So let's take a look at another website. We have GoFreebies.com. This one's also very large. And what all these sites really have in common is that they have newsletters that people can sign up to. So every day or every week, they come out with a new list of free stuff offers that were added to their site. So what does that do for them? It gets more people back to their site and more people who sign up for the free stuff that actually makes them money through affiliate links. You'll also notice that Google AdSense is on a lot of these sites. Right here we have a Google AdSense banner, and right here we have another one. And that's because there's so many advertisers who are advertising through Google to get more leads and signups for their free stuff offers. And coupons, that's a very, very large market, because these companies that offer the free coupons, they have huge brands giving them a lot of money to get their distribution for coupons. So if you can find a coupon affiliate program, there's a ton of money to be made in that space. So if you wanted to create a website or blog that was focused on just coupons and free stuff offers and samples, you would do pretty well. So now let's start looking at affiliate networks and how you can find some of these great offers that you can promote on your site. A popular one is CJ.com, and they're one of the largest affiliate networks out there. And once you're logged into their site, you can use the search form over here and type in anything like free stuff, coupons, giveaways, and you'll get a nice big assortment of offers that you can choose from. So real quick, I put in free stuff and coupons.com came up, and that's one of the largest coupon sites online. So they're basically paying sites to send traffic to them, and they're paying out anywhere from 40 cents a lead. It looks like they're paying 40 cents every time someone goes to coupons.com and downloads coupons or fills out their quick form. And there's thousands of merchants on CJ.com, so that's a good one to check out. Another great one is ShareASale. ShareASale.com, they have thousands of merchants that you can sign up for as well. And if we searched for samples on this one, and there's actually a lot of free stuff websites that are advertising on ShareASale.com, and they're looking for affiliates to promote their websites. So some of them are paying 15 cents per lead. Like, let's look at this one for example. It's called Nickie'sFreebieGBs.com. So we head over to their website, and the first thing you see is a newsletter form. So if you sign up for that, that's probably where the lead comes into play. So this website is paying 15 cents to any affiliates that send traffic to their website and then signs up for their newsletter. And this looks just like all the other free stuff sites out there. You can search by category, and then it's got all the listings here. And of course, it's going to be a mixture of free offers and most likely affiliate offers as well. But as usual, we have the Google AdSense throughout the site, and that's how a lot of these sites make money: affiliate offers and Google AdSense. So let's head back to ShareASale. We can just see a numerous amount of programs. We also have Freaky Freddy's on here. They're paying 75 cents per lead. So a lot of free stuff sites are using ShareASale as a way to get more people to their website and filling out forms and joining their free stuff site. So that's definitely a great way to see what the competition is doing out there. Rextopia.com is another great affiliate network, and they actually have a whole category for coupons and freebies. And once you're into their site, you can look at all the different offers. They have a lot of coupon offers. They have cool savings, paying $1 for the sign up. They have Freaky Freddy on here as well, paying $1 per sign up. And it's important to compare because we just saw Freaky Freddy's on ShareASale and it was paying 75 cents, and on Rextopia it's paying $1. So it's always good to find different offers and see what they're paying on different networks. And we have Good Housekeeping and Glamour Page. These are all well-known brands that people want to sign up for. So if you can make money in the process, that's a great way to do it. Another network that you should be looking at is peerfly.com, and they actually have a free stuff category as well. And they have a lot of trial offers. And these offers that we were showing before for the zip submits, you can get a lot of these offers on Peerfly, and they pay anywhere from $1 to $2 each depending what it is. We have Freebie Frenzy, free samples that pay 60 cents. So if we want to promote any of these offers, we just have to click on it, and then the page will load up and we can scroll down, and this is what the landing page looks like. And this would be your affiliate link. So you would copy that, and the payout right here is 60 cents. And you can also grab any ad creative that they might have, some banners. So we can go now to this landing page and show you what it looks like. And here's the landing page. It looks very nice. So on your free stuff site, you could say, get a free sample of Triscuits, get a free sample of Miracle Whip, anything that's listed here. And then whenever someone comes to this page, fills out their name and email address, you would get 60 cents. So remember, people are coming to your free stuff site because they want free stuff. So they're likely going to fill this stuff out anyway. So when you're looking to start your own free stuff site, go to google.com, check out all the different free sites out there, see what they're doing, add content to your site, create a newsletter, get active on the social networks, and just build up your content and put affiliate offers in between, and you can really start making some good money without having to spend a lot of money on advertising, and especially if you can get your content to rank on the first or second page of Google. Don't go after keywords like free stuff because that's so saturated, but as I said at the bottom, go for stuff like free makeup, free stuff on your birthday, and you could do great. Thank you so much for watching this latest video. I know I cover a lot of topics and resources for you to work with, so I actually created a blogging resources page for you to go to and see everything in one simple area. You can access that page by going to blogging.org and clicking on the resources button, or you can simply go to blogging.org/resources. From here, you're going to see all of my recommended tools, solutions, basically everything I use to grow my website, blog, and business to what it is today. You're also going to see my latest courses on there as well, so be sure to check it out at blogging.org/resources, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.